All right, hello everybody. My name is Tyler. We are here on Vancouver Island. This is where I live and I've grown up. And today we are in the city of Campbell River. And we're currently here at Elk Falls Provincial Park in Campbell River. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be showing you guys my two favorite transitions that I like to use in a lot of my videos. It creates a unique perspective to the videos and grabs the viewer's attention to keep them engaged throughout the whole video. So the first transition we're going to do is called the mask transition. You've definitely seen these in a lot of videos. A lot of people use them as wipes or as well as going in through a certain scene. The first example is going behind a tree. And basically what you do is you grab your camera and you get something in the foreground and you mask and you wipe across the subject. So to do that, you want to make sure you're going all the way through the subject. I like to use trees, sometimes people as they pass through the frame. But yeah, you want to make sure that when you're doing the mask is that you're starting outside of the frame and you're following all the way through the subject, through the tree or whatever you're using as the mask subject. I'll show you some examples on the screen here, a little bit of before the edit and after the edit to show you perspective of what it looks like and how to actually do it in the editing Premiere.
All right, so we are here in Premiere Pro and we have our two clips selected that we want to use. As you can see, this is Mike walking and the second shot is Mike walking but of his feet. So we're going to be masking this first shot from the tree, transitioning to a clip of his feet. So first what you want to do is drag the first clip up top and find out where the mask is beginning. So we'll go frame by frame by pressing your right arrow key. And you see here, we're going to be using this tree line as the masking position. So we will go right at the start, right where it begins, and we will drag this clip all the way over to there, right underneath. Now what you want to do is select this clip here, the top one, and come over to here where it says opacity, select the pen tool, click that, and it will drop down this mask bar. Now you have your mask tool selected and you want to start drawing. So let's start from outside the box here. We'll go create 4 marks, 2, 3, 4, just like that. As you can see now, it has created a mask. We don't want this to be showing up first. We want the tree to be showing and this to come in next. So what you want to do is go down and click invert. So now we still have our top clip and then our second clip coming in, which is the bottom clip, revealing afterwards. So we want to move this all the way out of frame first of all, because as you can see, we have not passed the tree yet. Now you want to come over to this side on the opacity mask and select all these, which are keyframes. What I like to do a lot on trees is turn up the feather. So maybe we'll put that up to 50. Let's go with 60. As you can see, the box went away, but just reselect that. And now you see it has a feather mask. Now what you want to do is start your mask. So here you can select key by frame. Next, and now you can see the other side of the tree is starting to show. So what I like to do to make it easier to see, I'll select this down to 75%. I'll double click this to go in, and now I have more space to work with. So now you just start to draw. Let's slide this into here, right there, and that's starting to reveal the next clip with the tree mask. And you want to continue this all the way through. Very simple process, just like that, and continue this all the way through until you finish your masking. All right, so now you can see we are almost all the way through our mask here. And just a little bit more of the tree showing. And there you go. So now you're all the way through the frame, as you can see. And the next clip below has been revealed. So now let's click out of here, double click, let's set that down to fit, and we will watch this back. We can now see how the mask ended here. We can delete this clip here. And as you watch this back, you'll see you're going from Mike walking, transition to the tree, right to his feet. Very, very seamless and very simple to do.
The second transition I like to do is a pretty simple one. It's actually just in-camera transition and really, really basic, but it really makes your video stand out. it's just camera movement. So basically what you want to do is you want to be whipping your camera after or before your shot. For example, if you're filming something like a waterfall, aiming at the waterfall, following it downstream, and in the end there, you want to whip it downwards, and that creates a whip down. And then in the next shot, what you want to do is you want to start at the top and whip down into the shot. So you want to make sure though, when you're doing these whip transitions, that you're following the same path up and down. So if you're going down, you want to make sure you're starting your second shot that's transitioning into going down as well. And as well as if you're going sideways, you're whipping to the right into a shot, you're whipping right into the next shot. And that creates a nice and smooth look to your videos and makes a seamless transition. So I'll show you some examples of that as well, and what it looks like before and after the shots in here in the editing suite.
All right, so we are here and I'm going to be showing you the second version of the transition, and this is a transition I like to call the whip transition. As you can see here, I have all my clips imported into my Premiere Pro here, and these are the clips raw straight out of camera. This is clip number 1, and I am using a whip down here with my movement. As you can see, we go into clip number 2 is the transition I want to transition into. It is also whipping down into the shot of Mike's head. The third transition I'm using is also a whip transition, and it is going to be another down to the side transition to the waterfall and then back up. Number 4, I'm going to be whipping upwards to Mike in the camera. So that is the basis of the filming technique right there. Very simple. Literally all you have to do is whip your camera in directions to get shots, and yeah, this is how it turns out. So I'll show you guys how to edit that. So here we go. Here we have these 4 clips that we used. As you can see again, waterfall whipping down, tree whipping down, and down again, tree whipping down to the waterfall and off to the side and up, and then the last clip is up. So what you want to do is basically just cut these clips so they match properly. So we'll start with the first one here. As you can see, the waterfall is whipping down, so we'll stop it about right there. We'll cut this, we'll move this clip in, and we'll start the next clip where it's coming down, so we'll start it right about there. Cut that, move it closer together, and as you can see already, super seamless cut just like that. As you can see here, the next clip is cutting down again, so we will cut about there. Move the next clip in, and we will cut it to about right there as it's starting to whip sideways. And we'll put that together and we'll see how that looks. We'll do the last one as well. The last clip ends, we'll cut that to where it whips up. As it's whipping up, right there, we'll stop it. We'll cut that, we'll go to the next clip, and we'll cut it about there as it's whipping up. Cut that up, put that together, and let's play this back and see what it looks like. Super seamless, super easy to do. Obviously this area was, this is an example just to show you guys the capabilities of this effect.
So those are 2 simple transitions I like to use, the masking and also the whip transitions. Super simple, and those are all in camera, no added effects in Premiere or in the editing suite. If you like this video and you want to see more videos in the future, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.